Hey guys, it's Abeje'h. Welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing video. I ordered some hair from AliGrace hair, and this is what it came in. So just stay tuned to the video so I can unbox it and just show you guys about the hair. And then I may upload a video of me installing the hair and plugging it and stuff like that, just to see, you know, what you guys think and how it looks, because I'm not professional when it comes to doing hair. But yeah, so let's just hop into the video. Okay, so yeah, this is the box or whatever. I ordered the hair Saturday and they shipped it out Monday, and I received it yesterday, which was Wednesday. Today's Thursday. So they have a really quick processing time and shipping time when it comes to ordering hair. So the kind of hair I got, I believe it's a closure wig with kinky curly hair, and it's 14 inches. So it was $97, but I found a discount code which took $10 off, so it was $87. So let me just go ahead and open it. So I thought I was gonna have to go buy a wig cap, but I guess not. So it comes with this proving care and maintenance tips, you know, just to teach you, I guess, how to wash the hair, how to take care of the hair, how to handle the hair. Okay, so this is the wig cap. This is the color I actually use, so I might not have to put foundation on it, maybe just a tad bit. And this is the box. As you guys can see, this is what it's looking like. It has this really pretty blue and pink ombre color on it. So let's just see what the hair is looking like and what the yeah, okay. Okay, so it came in this. Okay, and I got a 5x5 closure. Okay, and I got I believe 180 density. It doesn't really look like it's 180% density, but maybe after I wash it and stuff, it may look like that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. The hair is pretty soft so far. Yeah, this does not look like 180 density, but maybe when I wet it and stuff, we may be able to tell. I don't know. I hope it can fit on my head, because I have a really big head. So I normally make my own wigs, and I have to get like a bigger cap for it. But okay, the hair is pretty soft. It's not shady. I'm running my fingers through it. Everything seems fine with it. Now what I would say is I know I'm gonna have to bleach the knots, and I guess they plucked it a little bit. I'm gonna go back and pluck it some more. But some things that I do notice when I buy hair from companies, like I don't really, this is my first time buying an actual wig, because like I said, I normally just do my own wigs. But when I buy hair from companies, sometimes the closure or the frontal is a different texture than the hair, but this one looks fine. I believe it's 14 inches. I just wanted it to be like, you know, like right here. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna turn out actually, but I don't know. I don't think it's 180 density. But let me just play with the hair some. But yeah, I'm also gonna wet it and put some product in it when I receive it. Okay, well, sorry. Well, it may be 180 density. I guess you can work with it and play with it. I was gonna bleach it and dye it a different color, but I guess I'm not. I just really hope it can fit on my head. Well, it has the straps in the back, so it should be able to fit. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the wig. Let me just put it back in the pack. I also noticed when they sent people hair, they sent them goodies and stuff, like eyelashes. I was hoping for some lashes. I don't know. Well, I didn't get any, but so tonight I'm just gonna bleach the knots and pluck it and, you know, braid my hair. Well, I might braid my hair in the morning because I have something to do, but I'm gonna just, you know, pluck it and bleach the knots, and we'll see how it goes from there. So yeah, that's what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna install it tomorrow. Hopefully it looks good, because like I said, it didn't look like it was 180 density. It may be 180, maybe, I just don't know. But yeah, so that's the hair, and we're gonna see